Why automated backups matter.
Automated backups ensure your important files are protected from accidental deletion, hardware failures, or cyber threats. By regularly saving copies of your data to another location, either locally or in the cloud, you minimize the risk of permanent loss. Using open-source tools allows you to customize your backup process to suit your needs without licensing costs or privacy concerns.
Choosing the right open-source backup tools.
Popular open-source tools for automated backups include Duplicati, rsync, BorgBackup, and Restic. These applications support automation, encryption, and backup to various destinations, like external drives or cloud storage. Consider your preferred platforms, storage needs, and user interface when selecting a tool. Community support and regular updates are also important in ensuring the software stays secure and reliable.
Setting up local backups.
To backup files locally, install your chosen backup tool and specify the folders you want to protect. Configure the application to save copies to an external drive or another computer on your network. Schedule backups to run automatically at regular intervals. Tools like rsync or BorgBackup allow you to set up scripts or use built-in scheduling features for seamless operation.
Automating cloud backups securely.
Open-source backup tools often support secure uploads to cloud providers like Google Drive, Dropbox, or Amazon S3. When setting up cloud backups, enable encryption to keep your files private. Configure your tool with access credentials, select which folders to back up, and set an automatic schedule. Always test your backups to make sure files can be restored from the cloud without issues.
Best practices for reliable backups.
Verify your backups regularly to ensure data can be restored without errors. Use both local and cloud backups for better protection. Keep your backup software updated and store encryption keys or passwords securely. Finally, document your backup routines so you or others can recover files quickly if needed. Peace of mind comes from knowing your data is safe and accessible.